Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm for the peanut celebration, and I went to Wilderness Dogs and Drinks and got the gumbo with rice and garlic toast. So this actually is almost like a piece of Texas toast, toasted on both sides. Here's the rice, and there is let's see, sausages, chicken. Oh, here's the shrimp. Shrimp. This looks like a tomato. And some other veggies. That's celery. And then there's the rice in the middle. Let me try some of the rice with the gumbo sauce. This is one of the chicken. Chicken's very, very, very tender. How many? I think there's onions in here too. Looks like I got 2 pieces of pretty large shrimp. I was going to say there's no spiciness in here, but these sausages are a little spicy. But it's after you like almost finish chewing it all, then the spice comes into your mouth. I didn't really feel it while I was chewing it. But the gumbo mixture itself is not really all that spicy. And the chicken and the shrimp weren't that spicy either. Wow, that's a good piece of toast too. It's buttered on one side. This is only one side though. So yeah, if you want to try this gumbo, it is on the meal plan. Or it is $16.50 if you don't have the meal plan. This one actually is a pretty large bowl, and it does have a lot of meat in it. But if you're allergic to shrimp, really allergic, then don't get this. If you're only a little allergic and you can eat the stuff around it, then this is okay. But yeah, this is really good. I like it. It looks pretty filling too. So I would get this even if I didn't have the meal plan. But yeah, this is good. So I'm going to give it an 8. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.